Welcome back. This time we're going to talk about something called ARP spoofing. We'll start in network capture, but we need to make sure we don't enable promiscuous mode, because otherwise we should see extraneous traffic that doesn't belong to us, which wouldn't happen in a real world switched network. So I connected from my Ubuntu machine to my FTP server on the XP machine. You see that I can connect and see the files hosted on XP from Ubuntu. In an ordinary network capture, if we don't enable promiscuous mode, none of this traffic should be visible from Kali. And in fact, I don't have anything under FTP. If we have an attacking machine and say Kali is a machine sniffing the network and we want to make sure we can detect this traffic, we can do something called ARP spoofing. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol, and it turns IP addresses into MAC addresses. Both clients, Ubuntu and XP, have an ARP table when they store the results from this conversion. What we're going to do is poisoning the ARP table of both those clients so that all the traffic will be redirected through Kali. We see here the ARP table for Kali, and we only have the XP machine here. Now we're going to start an attack called ARP spoofing with this tool, ARP spoof. And we have two terminals. In the first one we have XP as a target, and we tell them we're Ubuntu, and in the other terminal on the left we do the opposite. So if we now run the ARP command again on Ubuntu, you see that both Kali and the XP machine have the same MAC address. In other words, we poisoned the ARP table of that machine. So what happens now? Let's connect back to our FTP server on XP from Ubuntu. This time we should be able to see something here, and in fact you notice that we were able to view the whole traffic going on between these two machines. And we already know FTP is an insecure protocol because all the traffic is in clear text, and this is a clear demonstration of this. You see, all is in clear text, and we can of course see the password, which is password. Very unique, right? If we use follow TCP stream, we can follow the whole traffic in a kinda consistent way. But we can do more than that. We can see what files are available and interesting on XP. So if I connect to the downloads directory, there are some files that might be interesting, and especially one called financial information. So I could retrieve this file, and I have a sort of a joke here, because of course I will never store financial information in clear text like this. It goes without saying. But what I want to point out here is that we were able to see the whole traffic going on between these two machines. And we pretty much were able to access a traffic we shouldn't be able to see normally in a switched network. That's all for today. Bye bye.